Shatakshi. Welcome to my channel, friends. I am here with 30 questions that will help you in different types of competitive examinations. Let's start, friends. Who made periodic table? Dmitri Mendeleev, Rutherford, James Chadwick, J.J. Thomson. Dmitri Mendeleev is correct answer. Longest river in the world: the Nile, the Amazon River, Ganga, Yangtze River. The Nile is the correct answer. What is the formula of hydrogen peroxide? H2O2, H2SO4, HNO3, 2H. A. H2O2 is correct answer. Where is leaning tower of Pisa? USA, Italy, Egypt, Greece. B. Italy is the correct answer. What is the full form of NASA? National Aeronautics and Space Administration, National Air and Space Administration, Nuclear Administration Solo Adolf, National Aeronautics Society Admin, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A is correct answer. Who won 10th Italian Open title 2021? Novak Djokovic, Rafael Nadal, Dominic Thiem, Stefanos Tsitsipas. B. Rafael Nadal is the correct answer. Oka Cricket Ground is located in Adelaide, Perth, Auckland, Durban. B. Perth is the correct answer. Who became the first cricketer who has hit 6 sixes in an over in one day international 50-50 cricket? Kiran Pollard, Yuvraj Singh, Hazel Gibbs and B.B. Richards. Hazel Gibbs. C is the correct answer. The Kandalaru Dam is located in which state? Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Goa. Andhra Pradesh is the C correct answer. Oxygen and ozone are isobars, allotrophs, isotrophs, isomers. B. Allotrophs. Correct answer. Which one of the following is not the function of the liver? Enzymatic activation, reproduction, detoxification, regulation of blood sugar. Reproduction. B is the correct answer. Helminthology is the study of A. Ferns, parasitic worms, lichens, tissues. B. Parasitic worms is the correct answer. Which of the following process brings a small gradual change to the Earth's surface? Erosion and weathering, volcanic eruption and tidal waves, earthquakes and landslides, floods and tsunamis. A. Erosion and weathering is the correct answer. Which of the following is not true? India's first satellite Aryabhat was built by ISRO. Great scientist Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is known as the father of Indian space program. ISRO was set up in 1962. ISRO is managed by Department of Space India. C. ISRO was set up in 1962 is correct answer. A device used to measure the depth of the sea is called A. Gyroscope, chemograph, hydrometer, fathometer. The fathometer is the correct answer. Total number of seats in the lower house of Indian Parliament is 250, 552, 545, 250. C. 545 is correct. The elimination of this pest under the 4-phase campaign of China that was initiated in 1958 upset the ecological balance and enabled crop-eating insects to proliferate. Identify the pest. B. Sparrow, beetle, locust. B. Sparrow is the correct answer. During photosynthesis, the oxygen of glucose comes from water, carbon dioxide, air, both from water and carbon dioxide. A. Water is the correct answer. Use of zero and decimal system was introduced during the period of which dynasty? A. Pallava, B. Maurya, C. Kushan, D. Gupta. D. Gupta is the correct answer. Which gas is filled in packed snacks like potato chips? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. Nitrogen. D. Nitrogen is the correct answer. In the word ambidextrous, the prefix ambi stands for half, many, both, one. C. Both is the correct answer. Driven by passion is the tagline of which automobile brand? Skoda, Mercedes, Renault and Fiat. D. Fiat is the correct answer. Apollo 11 was launched on 363-foot tall rocket called A. Saturn, B. Jupiter, C. Johnny, D. Athena, I. A. Saturn, B is the correct answer. Who has conferred with the 217 best astrologer of the world award? T.S. Vinith Bhatt, Victor Konstantin, Ganesha Vejan Daruvala and P.K.L. Sarnath. T.S. Vinith Bhatt, A is the correct answer. Which Indian personality has been conferred with the Order of Diplomatic Service Merit Singh Medal of the South Korea? Devyani Khobrage, Vikas Swarup, Rajiv Kaul and none of these. Rajiv Kaul, C is the correct answer. Who was appointed as the first woman president of Confederation of Indian Industry CII? Shobhana Kamini, Neeta Ambani, Chavi Rajawat, none of these. Shobhana Kamini, A is the correct answer. Personal qualities that can help people resist peer pressure are speed and agility, self-confidence and assertiveness, clothing style, interest in music. B. Self-confidence and assertiveness is the correct answer. A listener is concentrating on the appearance and delivery style of the speaker instead of the subject. In this case, the barrier to listening is gathering only facts, wrong focus, prejudging of subject, all of these. B. Wrong focus is the correct answer. Which of the following general behaviors and techniques will not help to manage stress? Exercise regularly, maintain daily routine and schedule, talking to caring adults, drink coffee frequently. D. Drink coffee frequently is correct answer. Which of the following has become the first city in the world of have its own Microsoft front? Dubai, Paris, New York and Singapore. Dubai, A is the correct answer.
Thanks for watching friends. I hope this video was interesting. Please like, share and subscribe. I have recently started my channel. I need your support friends so that I can keep making such videos. Thank you.